Hello and welcome to this month's project, which is going to be a technique called tea bag folding. Now this is another old craft that has made a comeback, and Jamie Rogers has teamed up with Creative Expressions to make it a lot easier this time around with metal dies that will cut out and score the shapes that you want to make your tea bag folded. So they come in a range of squares, circles, octagons, and a really nice sort of petal shape. Then they have matching rubber stamps, so you can use plain paper and add decoration to your paper. And then they also have tranquil shades, which is a solid pack of paper, and the tranquil garden, which is the flower pack. So I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to do. Now, one word, this paper is 120 GSM, and I tried it on 150 GSM, and it was fine, but the folding wasn't quite as crisp. So I wouldn't go as high as any further than 150 GSM on your paperweight, because then you find it a little bit harder to fold the paper when you get to the more tiny folds. Anyway, let's get tea bag folding. Using the metal die, cut out 8 shapes. For each shape, fold in half, then turn 180 degrees and fold in half again, so it looks like a plus sign. Hold the folded piece so the plus is an X, and push gently on each side so that the top and the bottom fold inside. The last part is not scored, and you will need to fold this yourself. With the open end facing towards you, fold the outside bottom point into the middle bottom. Cut a square of paper and glue the first segment in place. The second segment will slide inside the first one, and so on around until you reach the last segment. The last segment will fit as normal, but lift the first segment and slide this first segment into the last segment.